Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making chocolate lava cake but in a ramekin, and I'm gonna serve it with a bit of ice cream. It's gonna be beautiful. You gotta try this one. And hey, if you're new to my channel, make sure you consider subscribing and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out any episodes. Let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to add in the chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate, but you can also use milk chocolate. I've already broken them into small pieces so it's easier to melt. Now in with some butter, okay? We're gonna melt these two together. So that goes onto the boiling water. And I'm just gonna leave it there for a minute until everything starts to melt, and then I'm just gonna give it a mix. It's been around a minute. I'm just gonna give this a gentle mix. And as you can see, everything has started to melt together. I'm just gonna melt this for another minute until everything is perfectly combined. Who doesn't love dark chocolate? That's completely melted. Just gonna turn off the heat at this moment. Alright, so there you go. Our beautiful melted chocolate. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe off the excess moisture from the below. We don't want that to go inside the chocolate, right? So just give it a wipe. So let that just sit there for around a minute. Now we're going to crack in 4 large eggs. Alright, so break the egg yolk and just give it a mix. Good. Add in some of the sugar. Give this a mix again. Make sure the sugar is completely dissolved into there. Using a spatula, you can just clean off the sides. So that we're just gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. There you go, perfect. Give this another mix. Alright, we're nearly there. I'm just gonna add a good pinch of salt into there. Just brings that flavor. And finally, we're gonna sift through 1/3 cup of plain flour. Mix the flour in. We're not adding too much flour into there because we don't want to turn this into a cake. What's going to happen in the oven is it's going to cook up that flour, and all that chocolate is going to center out. Beautiful. Just going to clean from here. So at this point in time, what I'm going to do is preheat your oven to 230 Celsius, and I will leave rest of the temperatures here so you know. Grab your ramekins. Here I've got these 2 layer ones, as you can see. And here is a scoop that I'm going to be using. I'm going to add around 1.5 scoop into each of the ramekin, which is around 5 to 6 tablespoons. So it really depends on the ramekin you're using. But 5 to 6 tablespoons should be enough in each of these. Grab our mixture, just give it a mix. Carefully add that in there. Now just give them a layer tap. Can you see these layer bubbles? Just gonna remove those bubbles. Now these are ready to go into the oven. Now there's enough mixture, around 5 to 6 more ramekins, so go ahead and make that for your guests or your family. Alright, so this goes into the oven at 230 Celsius. Make sure your oven is preheated. This is a middle shelf, as you can see. So here is our beautiful lava cake. Look at that lava. Just top that off with a bit of ice cream. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Just gonna try this. Bismillah. The strong dark chocolate.
Perfect.
Delicious.
Trust me, you have to try this. Look at all that melted chocolate, you know? Wow. I'm lost for words, trust me. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
I might do better if you ask the question in a different way.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.
Perfect.